Hi guys, welcome to my channel K Kajan for you. Recently we visited Coimbatore Isha Foundation. There we had a eye feast of lightning show by Isha Foundation. It's very fun and you have to watch it. So without waiting, I am uploading this video. Watch it completely and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Almost 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalaya. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When he left to be alone, unknown, he danced wildly.
ఎలా చేత పడతాయి చేత
When he entered the sea, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one
నాకేమో
had
చూడు
ever known
నాకేమో
or able to fathom. Electricity and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing a new vision in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adi Yogi. When his illness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away. Only 7 keepers remained, as they could not tear themselves away from him. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment, offering his disciples access to the deepest inner of creation.
పెద్దదిగా పడేలేకి
In this magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unbridled wild hair. He was a vision of the very core of the cosmos, in all its profundity and magnificence, a vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe, a most overwhelming vision that sages and Devi Parvati has ever witnessed. Devi Parvati, seeing Adiyogi, reveling in ecstatic state, said, I want to have what you have. Show me the way.
చూసుకో
Adiyogi absorbed her and made her a part of himself, and hence he is the Ardhanari, the ideal man, where one half of him is woman.
తీసుకో
Seeing the splendor of this magnificent beauty, Nana, his constant companion, asked, what about us? Adiyogi said, just drink of me, which drove them into intoxicated raptures. facilitated
Just a minute.
science of yoga in all its forms to human habitation across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization. This spectacular being is not of the past, but the future of humanity. To move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority. Mahadevaya Namaha. Mahadevaya Namaha. Mahadevaya Namaha. Yoga Yoga Yogeshwaraya Bhuta Bhuta Bhuteshwaraya Kala Kala Kaleshwaraya Shiva Shiva Sarveshwaraya Shambho Shambho
Namaskar. We are glad to announce that cultural offerings and audio-video darshan will happen every day at 7 p.m. whenever the audio-video premises is open.
ಕಲೆ ನಿಗದಿಗಳು ಆದಿಯೋಗಿ ದಿವ್ಯ ದರ್ಶನము ಆದಿಯೋಗಿ ಬಲಾಭಕ್ತಿರಂದಿರುವುದು ಅನೇಕ ನಾட்களிலும் நடைபெறும்.
Namaskar. Those of you who have not
Thanks for watching video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Soon I will upload complete tour package details, how to go and where to reach and remaining details. So please stay online. Thank you.